everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create a bun and 3 outfits that you can wear with it. So I really hope you like it and let's start. So first I'm just starting by brushing through my hair to make sure there are no knots or tangles, and then I'm just gathering all of my hair to the top of my head. I'm using my hands as sort of a comb to make sure all the hair goes up smoothly because we don't want any bits sticking out or looking all weird. When you're happy with the height you've pulled it up to, you just want to take a hair tie and pull the hair halfway through the band, pick the ends up and twist it inside, and then wrap the band around the bun shape again. I'll play the clip again because I think it's easy to see how to do it. So I'm just pulling the band through the hair halfway, picking up the ends of the hair and twisting them inside of the bun, and then pulling the band over it. Next, I'm just pulling open the bun with my fingers to make it bigger, and then I'm taking my hair grips and gripping it into the position I want it to be in, and then that is the first bun. I think this neater version of a bun would be perfect for more dressier occasions. So in this outfit I'm wearing a black lace dress from a brand called Nana Clothing. If they still have it, I'll leave a link to it down below, or something similar to it, along with some other dresses that I really love, because I can't buy them all but I do love them. With it, I'm wearing some oversized hoop earrings, which again I'll link to in the description. And then for my shoes, these heels are so amazing. They're from Pretty Little Thing. I love the snakeskin print on these. But I just think the neater version without any bits falling out just makes the perfect hairstyle for a more dressy night out look. So now I'm going to show you how to create a slightly messier bun. So I'm just gathering all of my hair to the top of my head again. Then I'm just pulling the hair halfway through the band, grabbing the ends and twisting it up in the bun like before. This time though, I'm grabbing the ends and pulling them out of the bun gently to make it look a little bit more messy, and then I'm just pulling at the bun again to make it bigger. Next, I'm just taking some hair grips and gripping it into place, and I'm also just pulling at the hair at the back to make it a little bit looser as well. Now I'm just pulling out some strands at the back and at the front of my face to make it look even messier, and then that is it. I think this style of bun is so much more suited to an everyday look, so I wanted to show you an outfit which should hopefully be really easy for you to recreate with stuff from your own wardrobe. So I'm just wearing this red hoodie from Bershka with a light blue denim jacket from Topshop over the top. My jeans are just a plain black ripped pair from Topshop in the Jamie jean style. Is the best style for jeans. Forget the Joni, go for the Jamie. And then to finish it off, I'm just wearing my Timberlands with it. Again, I'll link everything I show down below in the description. Another outfit I think this hairstyle would look good with is a gym look. So in this outfit, I'm wearing this zip up black jacket from Forever 21 with a pair of Nike leggings, which I'll link down below, and some trainers, which are just my Nike Flyknits. I just think the messy bun is such a good everyday casual look, and it's really easy and quick to do, but it just finishes off the whole casual I don't care vibe. But that is it. I really hope you liked this short video. I just wanted to show you how to do the bun, but also some outfits that I think would go perfectly with it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe if you did like it, because it really helps me out, and I post loads of outfit videos and hair tutorials on my channel too. But yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.